is the difference between dancehall and reggae?
Dancehall is where the younger people express themselves. We get more sexualized. We get more slangy. Reggae music is where we speak to the soul. You know, reggae music is what our ancestors and our forefathers left with us to keep us close to the connection to God, because this music wasn't given to us by man. This music was a divine music sent to an island of 144 square miles with a population at that time of nearly 1.45 million people. But their struggles and their tenacity to withstand these struggles was so much so that the Father himself saw it fitting for them to be blessed with a music of their own, to express their ideas and ideology and their pain and their praises. And so reggae music was born by the great stalwarts. First we had Count Machuki, and then we have King Stitch, the Big U, the U-Roy, the I-Roy, we have the Bob Marley, we have the Peter Tosh, we have the Burning Spears. And we have countless other groups, the Scatterlights, the Heptones, the Techniques. We had many great stalwarts who came along, who understood the assignment